After lagging for the last few sessions, the Dow is up today. And look who just popped in to tell us what's going on. It's Peter Tuchman.
Little guy, what's up?
Thanks for joining me, Peter. So why are we up today?
You know what? I really haven't been able to figure that out yet. My only gut is it happened exactly when the oil numbers came out. Inventories were up, right? Barrel production, I think, was up. And we see the crude reverse. It was up a little bit this morning. WTI down $1 now. So whether they sold oil, oil has been selling off from that 72 level, right, pretty hard. Okay, it got down to 65. It's all over the Saudi Russian thing, and then they pulled back a little bit. It reversed one day because they said, okay, it's not going to be as bad as all that. But obviously, we're in a new realm of pressure on oil. So, I mean, it could be one or particular stocks have not really been able to break it down. You know, I mean, Boeing said they're not going to sell planes to Iran. That's not particularly positive for them. Anything going on that we know about? Is it leading? So there you go. So look, we've seen it is. Is it up? How much is it up today? Yes. See, I've got the whole team.
We have the whole team here.
It's okay.
It's okay. That's
how we roll around here at Wall Street. Yeah. Anyway, so it could be Boeing. I don't know. Well, obviously something's going on.
Well, it's funny that you mention it because Trump did ask the Saudis to raise production amid a midterm election year to, lower oil prices. We do have the G7 summit this week. It's starting tomorrow. So how is Trump is going to face a little backlash with these countries? So how is he going to protect the stock market?
Okay, so you know what? We've talked now for a couple of years every Wednesday, and we've often talked about the fact pre-Trump and post-Trump that basically what goes on in the White House does not have much of a function or an effect on the marketplace. I think we're in a new rules mode. We've seen a lot of headlines over the last year. Some of them have been short-term effects, but in the big picture, we're already desensitized a little bit to the wild card coming out of Washington. So while the market does react to headlines, whether they're Korea, whether they're tariffs, whether they're things like that, some more than others, at the end of the day, I don't think it's that.
Yeah, you mentioned tariffs. I mean, we've already seen some counter tariffs from Canada and Mexico.
I think the only thing to really crack this market was the tariff and the trade war question. At the end of the day, I think the rally is a fact. We're coming into June. There's fresh money coming into the market. It's been sort of a sketchy first week of June. And we do see in the beginning of every month, we do see fresh money coming into the market. So, you know what? They're finding value in this market. And I always joke, people break my chops about it all the day. The market tells you what it wants. The market does what it wants to do. There are people buying this market for a reason. This is not fake money. This is real money. There's value in this market at these levels. Boeing is obviously leading it. Yeah. We're finding that out now. Boeing can contribute to 50, 60 points in the market.
Well, you know what? Our viewers aren't going to bust your chops. So thank you so much, Peter.
Chops anytime.
All right, fine. Bust his chops. All right, Peter, see you next Wednesday.
Thank you. It's great to see you.